All right, now listen here, Bo. We're going to talk about the stock market and Bitcoin today. That's not how I talk. Okay. Bitcoin, I sold all my Bitcoin and Ethereum today. Literally, all of it. Wasn't a lot. I have very little exposure to crypto. I mean, we're talking about a very small amount, couple $100 that I'd throw in 10, $20 every week when I see an opportunity in Bitcoin. Usually actually pretty much cost average. Every Saturday I buy 10, 15, $20, of Bitcoin. Of course, if I had more capital, I would be buying more. The point, how to build wealth, the idea of building wealth is very simple. You buy assets. Unfortunately, we're coming into a bear market. So buying assets is not as easy as buying SPY, buying Bitcoin, buying land. Really, in my opinion, those three, if I was a millionaire, you have those three. Those are really the only three you need. 10, 20, 30 years from now, you're going to be good. Especially SPY and real estate. So right now I'm bearish on the market. Today I made money shorting the VIX. You sell call credit spreads. So you're selling calls on VIX futures, the UVXY. I sold the 24 call, bought the 25 call. It just goes down and expires worthless. I received whatever the fuck, like $150. I deal with very small amount of capital. If I had more money, the trades would be bigger. But it's the trades that are successful that matter. So I made a profit on that today. Shorting the VIX. I closed the position for only 35% max gain because I had to go to a doctor's appointment. But anyway, so Bitcoin, I believe, will go down from here. Stocks, I believe, will be up this week. I'm going to continue. I have the position shorting the VIX. I have the position shorting SPY. I'm holding call credit spreads. I believe that Bitcoin, there's no reason for it to be up. There's not a single fucking reason Bitcoin should be up right now. So holding my short position on Tesla, I believe that Tesla, they just got a $170 million fine for being racist and their shares were going up. I took a screenshot. I'm like, what is wrong with you people? Shouldn't we be appalled here? I'm not going to get all political and all that, but whatever. So it's just, not good. That's almost $200 million off the balance sheet for a growth company. Also, forward guidance is not going to be given. I'll tell you why. The energy crisis in China, they're shutting down factories. They're going to continue to shut down factories that make shit for Tesla. I don't know about probably the fucking Gigafactory. I haven't heard reports that they've closed that specifically, just other factories that make components for Tesla in China. It's there's Wall Street really it priced in the delivery beat, and it's not getting over 800. So, just chilling this week, holding the short positions on Tesla and look at Avis. Look at Avis's stock price. I haven't even seen that shit. That could be another Viacom waiting to happen. Look at the 5-year chart and the 1-year chart and tell me that's not fucked up. The ticker is CAR, car. That could have potential implications on the market if that collapses. Another family office could be exposing themselves to total return swaps, which is what Bill Huang over-leveraged himself, and that's what collapsed. I don't even know how to say it. Archegos or whatever. I read it thousands of times, but I can't even pronounce it. But Bill Huang's family office. Also, last thing I do want to talk about is the correlation between the 1929 stock market crash and today's market. I was watching a documentary last night, and it's so funny. Everyone was buying on margin. Just like today with Robinhood and free margin. And you had shoe shine. They like to say how, taxi cab drivers and shoe shiners were, everyone was speculating on the market. Just like everyone is Times are worse now. You have to understand that because they didn't have fucking cryptocurrencies back then. So speculation is at an all-time high in the history of humanity in all things. Chinese real estate bubble is the biggest fucking bubble of any asset class in the world, besides the NFTs, all that bullshit. I don't even want to learn about it. I learn about it, anything in regards to investing, but that's just so fucking pointless. That's not even going to exist after there's a crash of Bitcoin and what? Let's not get into the crash of Bitcoin. I haven't done enough research on that, but the crash of the stock market definitely is going to happen.